National Electrical Code Section 250.32 (2) addresses installations where an old panel board is repurposed as a splice box. A common ground and a common neutral from the new panel can be used to feed the old panel circuits under specific conditions. Firstly, the old panel board must be used solely as a splice box. All breakers and meters must be removed from the old panel board. Secondly, the old panel board must be properly bonded to the new panel board. Thirdly, a solid copper bonding conductor must be used to bond the two panel boards together at their service entrances. These are the locations where the main service conductors enter the panels. Fourthly, the bonding conductor must be sized according to Table 250.102. Fifthly, the bonding conductor must be insulated and continuous, without splices or taps. Sixthly, the old panel board must be labeled or marked to indicate that it is a splice box and not a subpanel. Seventhly, the new panel board must be sized appropriately to handle the total load of the old and new circuits. Eighthly, the old circuits must be evaluated to ensure they meet the current electrical code requirements for wire size, overcurrent protection, and grounding. Regarding bonding requirements, a solid copper bonding conductor is essential for connecting the two panel boards at their service entrances. Table 250.102. C dictates the appropriate size of this conductor, ensuring effective fault current flow. This conductor must be insulated and run continuously without any breaks or splices to maintain its integrity. Labeling the old panel board clearly as a splice box is crucial. This prevents any confusion and ensures that it is not mistaken for a subpanel, which would have different wiring and safety requirements. The new panel board must have adequate capacity to handle the combined load of both the existing and newly installed circuits. An undersized panel can lead to overloading, posing a significant fire hazard. Reviewing the existing circuits is also paramount. This involves checking the wire size to ensure it is adequate for the intended load, verifying the overcurrent protection rating to prevent overheating, and confirming that proper grounding techniques are in place. Proper grounding is critical for safety. It provides a low impedance path for fault currents, helping to quickly trip circuit breakers and minimize the risk of electrical shock. In summary, utilizing a common ground and neutral from a new panel to supply an old panel converted into a splice box is permissible under the National Electrical Code, provided the bonding requirements are strictly adhered to and the aforementioned conditions are met. Key considerations include proper bonding, labeling, panel sizing, and circuit evaluation to ensure a safe and compliant electrical system. A properly grounded system is vital for protecting people and property from electrical hazards.